On my favorite water
Fire.
types that are Pokemon. My
My
fire
favorite
type.
fiber is Infernape.
I used to like Charizard, but not that much. Now my new favorite is Blaziken.
Blaziken.
And I wasn't.
This nice though.
I just don't like how he looks in the games or how they make him look. They should make him look like he's flying. Like Pidgeot.
There. Or there.
What's this?
My car mix. Wait, I left mine here. Where is it? Can you go get it? Because I'm using my sister's. Go get my car mix.
Give me comments.
I left it at your house, remember, and I never got it.
I gave it to Regina and
Oh, well then this is it. Oh, hey Trip, come here. He has my egg and I'm going to say no, I don't want it.
I'm gonna go see if I have any new Pokemon. I probably don't because my Ditto's with me.
Alright, I will let him keep the egg. Now then.
You know, it'd be funny if you let the man keep the egg for a very long time, he'll keep it forever.
Puppy.
Holy, no, Zoroark's 92. Ditto's on 69.
Go Ditto. Go. My Ditto's at 72.
Puppy.
He's been